Now, Storm Watch 12 weather with Chief Meteorologist Matt Hoffman.
Here's a live look at mighty Mount Shasta losing some snow this week with those warmer temperatures. Right now in the city of Mount Shasta, we are sitting at 83 degrees, but parts of Northern California and Southern Oregon are in the 90s. It's 91 in Medford. We got the hat trick 3 days in a row hitting 90 degrees or higher. It's 93 in Montague, 86 in Klamath Falls, and we're at 82 currently in Lakeview. Cooler conditions along the coast. Now, we are tracking also some increased dew points. We mentioned that it feels pretty sticky out there with some humidity being brought up from the south, and that is going to help fuel thunderstorms tonight and then also into tomorrow. Satellite and radar showing fairly quiet conditions right now, but as we head into this evening and tonight, a few isolated thunderstorms are possible. Some of them could be on the stronger side, but we'll have to watch, especially into tomorrow morning and on your Saturday, for the potential of more storms and even some of those storms to be severe. Now, tonight, we are expecting pretty mild temperatures, lows in the upper 50s to lower 60s with that isolated thunderstorm threat. Tomorrow in the Rogue Valley, we will see temperatures cooler and actually dropping as we go throughout the day, thanks to widespread rain. And some of that rain is going to be very heavy, and there will be some embedded thunderstorms in there as well. Here's a look at your Saturday forecast. Wet and windy for Southern Oregon, Northern California. Most of those stronger winds, though, are mainly going to be east of the Cascades, but we will see some breezy conditions in our west side valleys and also through the Cascades. Here's a look at that wind advisory for Lake County and eastern Klamath County for the day tomorrow. Could see gusts as high as 55 miles per hour. Now, here's a look at Stormcast. Here's how everything plays out. As we head into tonight, isolated thunderstorms start firing up. We'll have to watch these. They could produce some very vivid lightning and also some very heavy downpours. And there is that potential that they could also be packing some strong winds and hail. Notice as we head into the morning hours, some hit and miss thunderstorms, and then the rain and storms become pretty widespread as we move through the morning and then into the afternoon. And some of these storms along and east of the Cascades could be severe. That's where we're going to have the best chance for severe weather. But west of the Cascades, we're looking at very soggy conditions. Some of that rain will be very heavy. So if you're doing any kind of driving, some of that heavy rain could lead to reduced visibilities, and roads could be pretty slick because a lot of areas haven't seen rain in recent days. As far as tomorrow night goes, that's when things will start to wind down. Eventually, the rain will push out, and we should see a drier day on Sunday. Here's a look at that severe weather risk. Right now, a marginal risk for severe weather for parts of Southern Oregon. Hail, strong winds potential, and then also throughout our region, especially west of the Cascades, there is the potential for a little bit of localized flooding because we're going to get such impressive rain totals in such a short amount of time. Along and west of the Cascades, we could be looking at rainfall amounts between 1 to 2 inches. Those totals really tail off as you head further to the east, especially through Lake County. So if you're going to be doing some outdoor plans tomorrow, best to stick indoors because it's just going to be soggy. A better day for maybe some lawn mowing or some outdoor chores on Sunday, though, across Southern Oregon, Northern California. Your 7-day forecast, very rainy tomorrow over the coast. Some of that rain will be heavy, then windy and mild into next week with highs in the 60s. Northern California, rain and thunderstorms likely tomorrow. Drier weather on tap for your Sunday. The Klamath Basin will be keeping a close eye on those storms tomorrow. Some of them could be strong to severe. The Cascades and the Siskiyous, heavy rain, thunderstorm activity as well. We do get a bit of a break in the action, though, on Sunday. And then in the Rogue Valley, heavy rain, breezy winds, and then we may have a chance for some more showers, but less of an impact on Monday.